The 2025 Honda Super Cub carries forward a legacy that began over 6 decades ago, blending timeless charm with subtle modern refinements. Its iconic step-through frame and retro-inspired bodywork remain instantly recognizable, while fresh details give it a contemporary edge. The paint finishes are richer, with classic hues joined by new, vibrant tones that appeal to younger riders without alienating purists. The chrome accents and clean, simple lines stay true to the Super Cub's design philosophy: practical, elegant, and unmistakably Honda. Underneath its nostalgic exterior lies a refined 124cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth, quiet performance and excellent fuel economy. Honda's fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response, while the 4-speed semi-automatic transmission keeps riding effortless. No clutch lever, just easy gear changes. It's a setup that works equally well for first-time riders and seasoned commuters who value convenience. Despite its compact size, the Super Cub remains capable of surprising efficiency, with mileage figures that easily outpace most scooters and small motorcycles in its class. Honda has also subtly improved comfort and usability. The 2025 model benefits from an updated seat with better padding for longer rides, as well as a slightly revised suspension setup that handles city bumps with more composure. The LED lighting system provides brighter, more energy-efficient illumination, enhancing both safety and style. The digital analog instrument cluster offers essential information at a glance, combining a retro speedometer with a modern display for trip data and fuel level. Braking confidence comes from the combination of a front disc with ABS and a reliable rear drum, a balance of modern safety and classic feel. The lightweight frame and low seat height make the Super Cub incredibly approachable, whether maneuvering through tight urban streets or parking in crowded areas. Storage is minimal, but the design encourages add-ons and accessories, allowing riders to customize their machine for daily needs or personal flair. The 2025 Honda Super Cub remains more than just a motorcycle. It's a cultural icon that has quietly shaped mobility in cities worldwide. It appeals not through raw power or flashy features, but through reliability, style, and the simple joy of riding. For those who appreciate a machine that stands the test of time while adapting to the present, the new Super Cub continues to prove why it's the world's most produced motor vehicle.